People's clothes are fitting better. They feel less fluffy. Let me go ahead and get on to another one. This top testimony we just got in today from somebody that started the reset. We do this for 14 days every single month. And that is just a set period of time that we love to get people started. They can continue on that, doing the same thing, or maybe, we want people to live life, right? And so maybe you kind of veer off course a little bit, but then next month you can get back in to that same 14-day period where we just go through the simple steps, and it has been very helpful. But this top testimony, April, May, this is her second 14-day reset, and she's down 26 pounds, and she went down from a 42 to a 38 in her bra, you guys. So good, so good. So what I like to just say, there's no gimmicks. Okay. So a lot of things, we try to look for things to help us, jumpstart our weight loss. And it might be, a special supplement that maybe you add into your routine. Well, it can amp up things in your body that it's like an artificial way to really do it. What we're sharing in this group is really sustainable, and it is going to be helpful for your body to develop a routine and a rhythm.